Hello and welcome. This is Braindad and this is how to announce a new job update on LinkedIn. So open up your LinkedIn account and after that you should be able to have this specific posting at the middle with a plus icon. So in here just say about the details of the job, blah blah blah, whatever you want, the details of the company and etc etc. As long as you're posting a legit job posting. Make sure to make it look like professional standard one and not just some unprofessional related stuff. So after that, you'll be prompted to this next section. So you have to put the job title itself and the company and every details that you need to put out. Since this is a job, you need to have a complete details or else it wouldn't be as secured as it is when people start to look or inquire about it. So you have to put also the job criteria here. Sample what certificates that you want, and that should be it.